The moon is out. I've got it framed here in between Emmanuel Assembly of God Church and the sign for Emmanuel Assembly of God Church, noting a Christmas Eve candlelight service which took place a few days ago. Welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today the journey takes us here. We are on Foundry Trail in Livermore Falls. This is a bike trail that winds through part of Livermore Falls. It's not too long, and there's some interesting sights along the way. Up ahead there's a skate park, which hopefully we'll get a better view of as we round this corner. You can kind of see the skate park through the trees there. Don't know that we'll get a much better view of it from here. It's a beautiful day. Now the Foundry Trail actually goes along through Livermore Falls and has some views of some of the Androscoggin River sites where the very first paper mills in Maine were established. It is a beautiful December afternoon going into evening. It's right at about that golden hour. We're looking kind of at the sun right now, unfortunately, but you can just see the Androscoggin River on the other side of the recreational field. In fact, let's see if we can get closer to it. Just beyond the tree cover over there, you can see some of the rapids, the falls on the Androscoggin River. It's kind of the best view that I can get from crossing the recreational field here. This is the Androscoggin River. I've talked a lot about the Androscoggin River on this channel. It's kind of like the lifeline of western Maine from here. Water flows down through Lewiston and Auburn out into the Atlantic Ocean. Foundry Trail is one of the many river walk trails, I guess you could call them, that you find along the Androscoggin River. A few weeks ago we did the river walk trail that went right around both sides of Lewiston and Auburn on either side of the river. And this one also offers some more views of the Androscoggin River. It's a very pleasant, easy walk. It's another urban walk. As you can see, the trail is very easily laid out if you want to walk it or bike it, and it's usable year-round. The recreational facilities include tennis courts, that skate park that we saw, some basketball courts, a playground. It is a beautiful day for a walk. There's some more views of this beautiful river at sunset. This video should be posting on New Year's Eve. Want to wish everyone a happy new year. Looking forward to 2021 with all of our hopes that it will be a better year than 2020 was. I've laid out some New Year's resolutions for myself, some things that I want to try to do in this new year. Among them, I want to try to get up every day, be thankful, be grateful for every moment, every day that I have, spend some time in quiet reflection every day, and start my day off that way. I've actually been doing that now for about 2 weeks, and I feel like it's made a pleasant difference in my day-to-day. I'm also going to endeavor to eat a little bit better, fuel my body with better things this year. if you have New Year's resolutions, be interested in hearing what they are. Leave a comment down below if you're watching this on the last day of 2020, or even maybe someday in 2021. It's never too late to adopt a new resolution for the new year. I see a sign up ahead. This is the Eagle Creek hand carry access on Foundry Road as part of the river trail. You can actually put in here for your kayaks and canoes. How's it going? Beautiful. Let's go out to the water. You guys from Livermore Falls?
I'm from Anchorage, Alaska.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, I'm from the area.
From the area? That's awesome. Yeah. So is the water normally like this? It looks like it's pretty choppy.
It's not.
All that rain we got from that storm.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I'm planning on going shooting today, but the creek turned into a river, so
I'm being advised that I should probably not go any further. So we did have massive amounts of rain the last 2 days, and so this is all just kind of washed out up right here. But you can see the water is incredibly choppy right now, and we can actually get a view of the falls. That is amazing. I'm gonna take baby steps so I don't. There we go. Look at that.
yeah, no, not good.
Oh yeah.
All
Yeah, you
soft.
can't tell
Yep.
where the water ends and the wood begins over here. If you're interested in taking the Androscoggin River Trail, this is a little bit of information on it. It's a quite vast network of spots. I think that would be something fun to do on the channel at some point. Maybe you want to get some waterproof gear. Coming up to the railroad crossing. You see lots of these everywhere in towns in western Maine. So that pretty much takes care of Foundry Trail. You can follow it up here to the road. What I'm going to do is, if there's a spot to walk on, I'm going to walk back to the car along this road, which appears to be 133. This appears to be the entrance to a flea market. I like the signage. Very cool. So normally I review these trails for ankle busters and deep breaths and shutterbugs, you know, depending on how in nature you are, how beautiful the pictures that you're going to be able to take of the trails are. Obviously Foundry Trail, it's really not that kind of a trail, so I'm not going to review it for that purpose. But overall, this has been an interesting little excursion. There's this restaurant here in the heart of Livermore Falls called the Chuckwagon Restaurant. I love the sign for it. I've never eaten there before. If you guys have eaten at the Chuckwagon Restaurant, leave me a comment down below. Is it worth going to? Go check it out. Right behind the town office is where you can park to access Foundry Trail. There's also this great gazebo right here at the trailhead for the falls, right by the municipal offices. Looks like it was built in 1990. have their Christmas tree out. What a great time of year to be here. Lots of benches and places to sit. It's a nice birch tree there by the water. Listen to those falls. This is probably the best shot that I'm going to get of those falls. Look at how much water is going past them right now. That is wild. Definitely can tell that we've had some rain in the last few days. Well, thanks for watching. This has been the Foundry Trail here in the town of Livermore Falls. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday and Thursday. Join us next time when we answer the question,
where will this journey bring us?